Welcome to Bezalea Coding Hub. If you can think it, we can design it. We just love to write codes that will solve basic problems, basic challenges in the society. So we are more practically oriented in solving problems. So if you have a problem that we can use coding to solve, we could tell you if we could use coding to solve it. That's what we do, and we love doing what we do. So today I'm presenting one of our first videos on an offline CBT app where you can use to conduct your CBT offline exams with your local area network without using data. That's what I mean to say. To conduct your exams, like 200 to 500 students, all depending on your local area network capacity, you could conduct an offline exam for them. Different students, student offering different subjects at the same time. All can be used to conduct this, can be used in this package. So your days of using data are over. The challenge, and I want to congratulate the director of Silvergate College of Health and Science Technologies area for believing in what we do and allowing us to do what we know how to do best. There was a challenge of submission before now, whereby students will conduct exams. They are through with the exams. They're number 40, maybe the last question. They are pressing the submit button, and network challenge. So the student will be pressing submit. It will be rolling there, and most often than not, the result is lost because the network may not come back then, and the student may be forced to leave the hall. So result is lost. But with this package, I can assure you that the days of trying to submit no network, it's over. With your local area network connectivity and a switch to connect all the systems to the main server system. You don't even need an expensive server system. I'm using a 8 Gen Core i7. 8 Gen Core i7, that's what I'm using as the server system. I was there in their school to conduct the exam for them. First user, normally what I do when I design an app, I come to the school, I come to the place to get it working, see how it works. If there's any challenge in the codes, we correct it and ensure it's working. So this was what we did. That I was there that day. So it was a success. The students were able to write, submit immediately. The exams went smoothly. So this is the app you've seen. Without much ado, you click start, enter exam portal, and the good thing about this, the student don't get to type his name, because at the back end and in the Java, the JSON file, it's the name is assigned to the exam number and the password. So immediately he types in his exam number and the password, the name pops up by itself dynamically with the level. It's ND1, ND2, ND3. So everything is assigned. So you don't need to be typing long names. Don't just type the exam number and the password, which most often at times we like this number I'm going to use now, A/001, which is the exam number. The password is 1. So if it is A/002, the password will be 2. If it's A/003, the password will be 3, so far and so forth, so on and so forth. So you go to your level. If it's in ND1, you click on it. If it's an ND2 student, because the name is assigned to ND1, if ND2 tries to sign in with using this number, it will not give him access because the name has been assigned to ND1. So you don't have lumped data trying to sort You understand? So let's go back to A001 password 1, because it's assigned in ND1. So once he clicks on it, it will open up to him. These are the subjects that is assigned to ND1. CHU means community health worker. So it is assigned to that department. So these are the, if it's ND2, you will see ND2, you get to see ND2 subjects pop up. If it is ND3, you get to see ND3 subjects pop up, as the case may be. So it is so many students in different departments, different NDs, different levels can also use it at the same time. So these are ND1. Let's use this. Then bam, there you are. It's a 20 minutes exam. The time starts ticking. Time left 19 minutes 52 seconds. The name of the student is Abdurrashid Ishaku. Remember, we entered only the exam number and the password, which is, you remove the zeros before the exam number. That will be your password. So it will now show the name of the student, the level, which the department. So if it's not the student's department, he can complain to exam officer. It is being corrected. Maybe there may be a wrong entry at the back end during the assignment of the name and the exam number. So the student is writing computer. You just tick what is computer, a device for food cooking. Wow, let me click that. Definitely that's not the right answer. Which component is considered the brain of a computer? I think CPU. It should be CPU. If I miss that one, then I'm not fit to be coding. So let's just click, bang, 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 click whatever, just for example's sake, just click. So I want to get some answers so you can see what do we call the physical, that is hardware. Bam. This one I'm not ready. Which of the following is an example of an output device? Scanner. Bam. Scanner. Printer rather, sorry. So let's just tick anything. Just tick. Bam. 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 So your time is counting down. And the bit of, if the student does not submit after the time has elapsed, it will automatically submit the question and the scores will be displayed. Somebody may ask, what if there's maybe power failure or the system shuts down, the result will be held, so that when the user logs in, it will continue from the previous questions he was answering. That's how it works. So submit exam 7/40. So that's what this student got. So you can see the exam result, the name of the student, the exam number, level, department, subject, the scores. So why this is good is because most times, before we came into the school to do this work for them, some students may complain that the result, the CBT, that the score they scored is not what they thought they got, because the previous one doesn't display. But this one, it shows you what you get, so you just record it. You know what you got. And if another user want to come and use, you go back to the login page, you log in and take another subject. When you are through, for the exam officer, you just need to go and check the result. You see the result of Ishaku. Bam. So Ishaku's result, look at it, see his number, see his exam number, level, department, subject taking, scores 4/7/40. This is the time. So this is how it works. It's a system that you will enjoy. So wow, should I save this? Okay, I don't need to, just for illustration, don't save, but you could also save yours so that you can have the result there with you. So this is how this package works.